What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my video. As you can see by the title, today we are trying Nature's cereal with coconut water. We're adding in strawberries and we got some blackberries instead of pomegranates. All right. My sweet handsome hubby went out and got some pomegranates, so we are going to have pomegranate with our Nature's cereal. So I'm about to put it together in a bowl and we're going to get started. Okay, so now it's all put together. This is my bowl. I got the coconut water with the pulp and he just got regular coconut water. Yeah, plain. All right, here I am trying it. I'm not hating it.
It's delicious. This is delicious.
But I'm not loving it. Eesh.